BioTense Serum. BioTense Serum is the first treatment to use in the BioTense skincare routine. Combining the diadermic method with microencapsulated active ingredients, this lightweight and ultra-fluid serum has the ability to reach the deeper layers of the skin. Therefore, it is able to work on the deeper epidermis, the superficial dermis, and up to the facial muscles. It is recommended for skin lacking firmness and anyone prone to expression lines and dark spots. BioTense Serum offers relaxing, smoothing, plumping, and lightening effects to the skin. It can be used as a preventative or corrective treatment. Advantage number 1: relaxing and firming effect. BioTense Serum contains Acmyla oleracea that works by relaxing facial muscles to minimize the appearance of deep expression lines. It also contains baobab extracts and restructuring oligosides, which act on the superficial dermis to boost the production of collagen, elastin, and hyaluronic acid. The skin looks immediately smoother and firmer. Signs of fatigue and wrinkles are visibly diminished. Advantage number 2: plumping and smoothing effect. BioTense Serum is made of plumping and moisturizing fragmented hyaluronic acid that helps to fill in dehydration lines and smooth the skin's texture. Advantage number 3: antioxidant and lightening effect. Rich in stabilized vitamin C, minerals, and vetiver essential oil, BioTense Serum ensures daily antioxidant and anti-pollution protection and helps prevent hyperpigmentation. Results: from the first week of use, skin becomes plumper and firmer. Wrinkles are visibly smoother on the surface and deep within the skin. Over time, the face contour looks more defined and the complexion becomes brighter and more uniform. How to use it? Apply 1 pump of BioTense Serum evenly to the face and neck morning and night after cleansing the skin. Massage until the product is completely absorbed into the skin.